Here I have Panasonic Iluga i3, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So let me show you how to remove the factory reset protection, how to activate this phone with the forgotten Google account. So at the very beginning you need to go back to the select Wi-Fi network screen. Let's scroll down and choose here add network. So let me choose add another network right here. Of course you have to have some internet access. Let me add the network. Highlight the word, the random word, and simply use more key and select assist. That's what you need to do. Tap assist. Let's here choose no thanks, and now you can use the browser. Let's type in here Chrome. Tap Chrome, and now you can use the Chrome. Let me only tap accept and continue. Choose no thanks, and now you can just enter the following website: hard reset .info. Alright, tap here search. Here I have hard reset.info. And we try to enter this again. If the following screen pops up, you have to enter the following phrase: hard reset .info, download, .8. Let me just here correct my hard reset. Alright, hard reset.info, download 8.0. Alright, let's tap search. And here let's use this link, download Google account protection. Alright, let's scroll down and let's here use this download button right here. Tap update permissions, tap allow Chrome to access photos, media, etc. Tap OK. Let's wait a few seconds. Now let's choose here open. So let me tap the following app, FRP bypass, tap settings, and let's enable the unknown sources, tap OK. Now you can install the apps. So let me do it again. Here let's tap install. The FRP bypass is installing, tap accept. Wait a few seconds. Let's choose here open right here. And here we've got FRP bypass. Let's choose Google Account Manager for version 6.0. Tap install. Let's tap done right here. Let's tap bypass FRP right here. Choose browser sign in. And here you have to use more key and select browser sign in again. Tap OK. And here let's enter the following email. So you should enter some email, just the email that you know the password and the login. So basically let's sign in into some Google account that you can log in, and it could be any Google account, even the new one not connected to this one. Let me just enter some Google account not connected to this phone. Let's tap next. It's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's choose here this button, this OK key. The device is signing in, so you have to wait a few seconds. As soon as FRP bypass pops up again, let's simply press power key, choose restart, tap OK to confirm it, and wait until your device will show you the welcome panel. Alright, the welcome panel pops up. So here let me go next. Tap skip. The phone is checking info and checking connections. Let's wait a few seconds. As you can see, account added, so it's a good sign. Tap next. Alright, here you can set up an email. Let me just choose not now. Let me don't protect my device with the screen lock, skip anyway. Here let me just scroll down, choose don't restore any backup, tap next, and tap got it. To fully erase FRP you need to tap the apps icon and perform the hard reset by using settings. So let's open settings, scroll down and choose here backup and restore right here. Here from backup and reset, let's choose here factory data reset. Here you've got the account that you add previously in that process, tap reset phone and choose erase everything. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up, so now let's just quickly try to activate the device. Let's go next right here. Let me skip inserting SIM card. Let me skip also selecting Wi-Fi. Tap next to date and time, next again. Let me don't protect my device by any kind of the screen lock. Let me agree to the following Google services. And as you can see, the welcome panel pops up. The home screen is also right here, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.